Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill like a pop for this love pain? Anybody got a prayer like a session for this love pain, yeah? Ooh.
Hello everyone, it's Keisha from Drink Coffee Make Stuff. Welcome to my channel. Today I am planning in my Skinny Classic Happy Planner. I use this planner as my business planner to keep track of things I need to do for my magazine paper planner essentials. So I'm planning for the week of June 29th through July 5th. And this is going to be release week. So we are releasing the July issue on the 1st. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these out. So I have pulled two sticker books, Color Me Happy and Watercolor Goals. And I'm not sure which one I'm going to use yet. I think I'm probably going to use this one, but we'll see. So I'll go ahead and speed the video up. And when I finish, I'll be back. All right, guys, that's it. I'm gonna stop right there. I guess I could just keep putting stickers in every empty space, but I do like to have white space, so I had to stop. So, but I think it's pretty functional. I have lots of room to write down the things I need to do in the coming week. So, turned out pretty cute. All right, and I did end up using this Watercolor Goals book. This is the only one I used. So, all right, guys, so if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.